Fellow Australians, let me set the record straight. Yes, interest rates have been lowered.
Oh my goodness!
It's the announcement that people had been waiting for in the land of Australia.
Good afternoon. Thank you all for coming. As you know, the board decided today to cut the cash rate by 25 basis points to 4.1%.
This is the rate relief that Australians need and deserve.
That's a huge change for us. That's going to make a big difference.
Pretty good for a first home buyers.
Come out! Interest rates have been lowered!
Let us be glad.
Wait, what's an interest rate?
Oh, well, that's a good question, one that many find confusifying. Let's say you wanted to buy a house.
Like a munchkin house?
Yes, a munchkin house. What other house would you buy? You are a munchkin.
Houses, even munchkin houses, can be very expensive. And you'll probably need to borrow money from a bank. In exchange for letting you borrow its money, the bank charges interest, an extra charge on top of your repayments. How much interest they charge is up to the bank to decide.
Oh, but usually that's based on a national interest rate that's set by the Reserve Bank of Australia. Oh, speaking of which, I must be getting back there. So, if there are no further questions...
Wait, what is the Reserve Bank?
Oh, well, it's...
The Reserve Bank is Australia's central bank. It's responsible for keeping the country's financial system stable, and part of that is fighting inflation. That's when...
hot air balloon fills with, hot air.
Well, yes, but in this case, inflation is when prices go up, which is exactly what's been happening for the past few years. One way to fight off inflation is to make it more expensive for people to borrow money. That means they're less likely to do a lot of spending, which reduces demands for goods and pushes prices down. Except there's an obvious downside.
We pay more for our munchkin mortgages.
Yeah, that's right.
In Australia, interest rates have been steadily rising for the past few years, which has put extra pressure on homeowners.
Cost of living's gone up and interest rates are high.
Now, Michelle Bullock says they've managed to get inflation under control.
It's clear that higher interest rates have been working as anticipated, restricting economic activity and putting downward pressure on inflation.
Which means...
Interest rates are going down!
Yeah, that's what I said at the start. Remember I flew in on the bubble? Yeah, it looked really good.
But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Lower interest rates can push up the prices of houses, which are already very high. And there's always the risk that pesky inflation could creep up. So, as you can see, it's a delicate balancing act for the RBA. And while many welcomed the news, the interest rate cut wasn't as big as people were hoping for. And the Reserve Bank says it's not likely there will be any more in the near future.
It's not saving that much, you know.
It's great, but I wish it had been a bit more.
Okay, are we all good? Can I leave?
Wait!
No, too late. The bubble's up. Sorry. See you later. Bye. Send me an email.